What is the soil solution phase with respect to magnesium and calcium? The soil solution phase is the phase of the soil where plants take up calcium and magnesium as magnesium 2 plus or calcium 2 plus. This is the liquid phase in the soil. And if you remember from our discussion of soil plant relationships, that magnesium and calcium are transported to roots almost primarily through mass flow and to a lesser extent root interception. But mass flow is the dominant pathway by which magnesium and calcium are transported to roots. So there's 2 points that need to be made with respect to what I just stated. Plants with spare or sparse roots are more subject to deficiencies, right? So if the roots can't explore a lot of the soil, even if mass flow is occurring, delivering calcium and or magnesium to the root itself is reduced. And it says unlike turf. We talked about turf in a previous video with a dense root system and turf seeing a lot of the soil itself. The soil solution concentrations of both calcium and magnesium are buffered by calcium and magnesium on the exchange sites. So for example, in this picture in the bottom right-hand corner, when a plant takes up calcium, and it might be via root interception or it might be via mass flow, that calcium is likely coming from the exchange sites. And so if calcium moves into the soil solution and is taken up by the plant, to buffer the amount of calcium in the soil solution, other calcium ions will come off the exchange sites. And there's always something that replaces calcium on the exchange sites. And it's oftentimes, as soils weather, it's either hydrogen, aluminum, or iron. We've learned about that in a previous unit. The take-home message here is that the soil solution phase is buffered against the change in magnesium and calcium due to exchangeable magnesium and calcium.